If you're happy and you know, say I am. If you're happy and you know, smile to me. What are you doing? Smiling. I just love that. If you're happy and you know and you really want to show, if you're happy and you know, say I'm here. I'm also here for you. And for the ninth lesson. Are you ready for this lesson? Eagerly waiting for me to teach? I'm also here just for you. So settle down, be attentive, so that we can all achieve at the same time. I left you with the exercise last time, and I believe you read the sentences correctly and you followed the principle that was governing us that day of CVC, of those verbs that double and those ones that do not double, though they end in CVC. So let's go through. So the instruction reads, use the correct form of the word given in the brackets to complete the sentences. Sentence 1. Our teacher is dash an examination now. We have set. So the word set doubles. That's why I doubled my T. Setting. Hope you passed that. 2. Both is dash his office now. We have enter. I have entering. Entering does not double. I am dash my bag from the car. What? Gate. What am I doing? I'm gating. So the word gate doubles letter T before adding ing. Hope you did the same. The next one reads, Justin and Jovia are dash in the field. The word play just adds ing. Same applies to pray. The barber is dash off my hair. What is the barber doing? Trimming. Trimming doubles aim. Did you double yours? Some didn't double. Next time be very careful. The word trim doubles aim. My beans are dash so fast. Doing what? Growing. My beans are growing so fast. Growing just adds ing. And lastly, he is dash the chalkboard. What is he doing? Rubbing. So rubbing doubles letter B before adding ing. Thanks for doing that activity. Let's proceed. So, this time what are we going to look at? What are we learning? I know you've been asking yourselves now, having looked at the others that end in CVC, what are we learning next? What is Miss Ruth teaching next? Here I am. But put this in mind to govern you throughout this lesson. I expect you to construct sentences in present continuous tense. And we've been doing this all along. And to change, you have to change affirmative sentences to negative and interrogative. Let me hope this is not the first time you hear of affirmative, you hear of negative and interrogative. I think this is the second time I'm going to handle this. So it will help us to practice and to learn more about these sentences. Good. So we are changing affirmative sentences to negative and interrogative. Remember, in present continuous tense. Here we are. I have some examples of those sentences we are going to change. So I want you to be very attentive. To take you back or to remind you, when I'm talking about affirmative sentences, I mean positive. Positive sentences are those sentences that do agree. That's the truth. They base on their reality, like it or not. That's it. Truth. They do agree. When it comes to negative, these ones disagree. No, not. They normally have that word, not. So, we shall also look at them. And when I'm talking about interrogative, he interrogated her. They are questioning sentences. They question you. They require answers because they are questioning sentences. And to remind you, interrogative sentences end with a question mark. because they are questioning sentences. They ask for an answer. Hope you've now recalled, or you can now tell what affirmative sentences are: the negative and interrogative. That's what I'm handling today. Very easy. It won't take us a lot of time, but please follow. So here we are. The first sentence will be in positive, that is affirmative. The next one will be changed to negative, and lastly, interrogative. It will be our last sentence. So here we are. The first sentence reads, I am eating an orange. I hope everybody now knows how to construct sentences in present continuous tense. Okay? So my first sentence reads, I am eating an orange. That's the truth. It agrees. I'm eating an orange. So the negative sentence is, I am not. So that not is helping us to tell that this sentence is in negative. It disagrees. I am not eating an orange. And then we shall have the interrogative, the questioning sentence. Remember the helping verbs used in present continuous tense. When it comes to the interrogative sentence, we shall begin with our helping verb in that sentence. So being that I'm talking about myself, I am supposed to use am as the helping verb. So my helping verb will start the interrogative sentence. So here is my interrogative sentence. Am I eating an orange? Am I eating an orange? I'm asking. So I'll end with a question mark. Don't forget it. Punctuation marks are very vital. When you are constructing sentences, you will feel them. When you are writing down, you'll have to apply them. So, am I eating an orange? Question mark. 2. Ricky is writing neatly. That's it. Ricky is writing neatly. It is in positive form. When it comes to negative, that's when we apply a not. Ricky is not Ricky is not writing neatly. He is not. He's not doing what? Writing neatly. And we shall use, our helping verb will start the interrogative sentence. Which one is the helping verb in that sentence? Is. Why have I used is? I'm referring to one person. Remember, we use is in singular or on singular pronouns and singular nouns. So we shall have, is Ricky eating? I don't know why I'm speaking out eating. I know many of you love eating and you must be eating now. So can you stop it? And we proceed so that I can speak out the right verb. So C is. Is Ricky writing neatly? Are you writing neatly? Mention your name there. If you are Ruth, say or ask, is Ruth writing neatly? I don't know, but we need to find out whether she's writing neatly. Are you writing neatly? Check on your work and see. Okay, here we are. Question 3 or sentence 3. They are putting eggs in the baskets. They are eating eggs in the baskets. That one is in affirmative. The negative sentence reads, they are not putting eggs in the baskets. It is a not. It is negative. And lastly, we shall have the interrogative sentence. Being that the helping verb is are, the interrogative sentence will begin with are. And we shall say, are they putting eggs in the baskets? You need to know. Are they eating eggs? Are they putting eggs in the baskets? It is a question mark because it is a questioning sentence. Hope you can now construct sentences which are positive, that is in present continuous tense, then change them to negative, and lastly, the interrogative sentences. And I think you can now differentiate. If I construct a sentence, I'm eating now, you'll be able to tell the form, whether negative, positive, or interrogative. Is she skipping a rope? That one is interrogative. So be able to identify. Okay. To prove to me that you can now identify the positive, the negative, and interrogative, do this exercise. It will help you much to practice. Thanks for listening. Continue to stay safe and do some work at home. That one will be the best child ever. See you next time.